Hey, what's up? Tanmay Joshi here. Today, almost everyone surfs internet, and internet means Google and YouTube. As we all know, digital marketers are growing day by day, and today every YouTuber is a digital marketer. Okay, now you may be wondering how a certain videos rank on a YouTube, or how does YouTube decide order of the videos to show you when you search any specific keyword on YouTube. The answer is simple: keyword research. Okay. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to do a keyword research for YouTube. It doesn't matter if you are a pro or a beginner. I guarantee you that this video will definitely add some value in your knowledge so that you can rank your own video on this beautiful platform. So without any further delay, let's get started. This whole video is divided into two parts. First, why the YouTube keyword research is important, and second, let's get started with finding keywords for YouTube. Scientists prove that visuals are more powerful and more preferred than the text. Around 70% people in the world do enjoy watching videos on YouTube rather than reading big articles on the websites. You definitely can make bigger community on YouTube rather than blogs or websites. Video marketing is very costly and competitive these days. So if you are on the lower budget side, the proper keyword research can rank your video on the top of the search list, and you end up getting more and more views on your videos, which definitely can scale up your revenue. But remember one thing: the right keyword can connect you to the right audience and can give you the best results. Now let's move towards our second point. For this video, we are going to focus mainly on three keyword research tools: YouTube Autocomplete, vidIQ, and Ahref. We all do Google search, and YouTube search is exactly similar to the Google search. When we type something in YouTube search box, YouTube automatically suggests some keywords for us. This amazing feature by YouTube is called as YouTube Autocomplete. The great thing about this feature is that it only suggests trending and most popular keywords that lots of people currently use to find videos on YouTube. Okay, let's say that you are totally confused about choosing topic for your YouTube video. In this case, the YouTube Autocomplete helps you the most. Just go to the YouTube search and type the specific word you want to make your next videos on. And after that, give the underscore and type the last word. YouTube will automatically suggest you the most trending topics on this keyword, and you can choose your topic easily. This is my personal favorite, and it's a lot easier than any other tool available in the market. This here is an official website of vidIQ, and when you enter in it, it shows install vidIQ dialog box. Click here and you will redirect to the Chrome extension installer page. Add an extension and you are ready to go. Open YouTube and search a specific topic you want to make a video on. On the right side on the screen, you will see an info panel of vidIQ. Here you can get total information about this keyword, search volume, competition, and overall difficulty score with a simple UI. Below that, it also shows the top related search of this special keyword, so you can take this in consideration before making the video. If you want more features of vidIQ, you can also go for the premium version. I will give the link in the description below. Ahref is the most popular on the internet today. This popular tool is also useful for researching keywords for Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. On the right side of the search box, we can choose the specific country we want to target the audience of. When we search any specific keyword, it shows the list of top keywords, and on the right side, search volume of that specific keyword. The more the search volume, the more the chances of ranking your YouTube video. If you want more information of any specific keyword, you can also try the premium version of Ahref. I will provide link in the description below. Okay, enough knowledge for today. If you love this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you.